Today we are going to draw some animals and you have to guess. Let's start. So what do you think I'm drawing? Oh, look at its mouth. And it has got small ears. Oh wow, does it look like a bear? Let's see. It has got something else. That's long hair. So what do you think? Did you guess it yet? I think you know it now. It looks like a lion. Yes, you're absolutely right. It's a lion. Okay, so let's see what's next. This animal looks like a bird to me. Did you guess it yet? Oh, that's very simple. Yes, you're right. It's a duck. Can you see? It has got a beak. Let's move on to next animal. It looks small to me, like an insect, but it has got big wings. Oh, I think you know it now. It's one of the most beautiful insects. It's a butterfly. So now let's see what we have here. It has got a round face and an oval body. Oh, look here. It has got long ears. Which animal has got long ears? It has got two bunny teeth. I guess we know it now. It's a rabbit. Let's move on to next drawing. Seems like this is something huge. It has got big ear and a trunk. Do you know which animal has got trunk? This is one of the biggest animals. I hope you have guessed it already. Yes, it's an elephant. So now we are going to draw one more animal and let's see how it looks like. Oh, it has got big eyes and a big smiley face. I think we know it. Oh, it's a frog. Yes, it's a frog. You guessed it absolutely right.